I'm actually a former Revoluter. I was an early employee at Revolut, and in my time, so in 2017, 2018, folks are already working on the Revolut Mexico expansion, right? So that's how far back it dates. But I think, when it comes to like international expansion, I think the team at Revolut, doing a terrific job there. It just comes to like what big markets are there out there? What are our opportunities for our unique product positioning? And once, the kind of the stakes are there, we go all in, right? And I think in Mexico, you find a lot of the right ingredients. It's a huge market, right? So second biggest country in Latin America, a massive proportion of the population still unbanked, underbanked, very strong banking lobby, right? So that the top banks, top five banks account for, 60-70% market share. One single bank, BBVA, accounts for 35-40% of, deposits and loans and assets market share. So very high concentration, right? And but still, on the flip side, a market that's very ripe for innovation, ripe for disruption. And you're seeing over the past couple of years how there's been a very big take up, especially with younger generations with, digital first product offerings. And, Revolut is not the first neobank. And, there's a handful of neobanks that and many homegrown and many, regional grown that have been operating there for a while. But just the size of the opportunity, size of the market is just so big that it's a very, very attractive market. And I would say in the digital space, very much still up for grabs.